Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's May 21st, and as you can see, the garlic has said we're done. It's been in the 90s the last few days. It's been in the 80s for a couple of weeks. We didn't really get a spring. Last month it would be in the high 80s, and then you'd turn the next day it'd be 24 degrees for a couple days, and then you go back into the 80s, and garlic just didn't know what to do with itself. And now it's come along here and hit the high 90s every day. No rain. So where last year was an outstanding, really excellent garlic harvest, this year is going to be not so much. So we're going to get it out of here so we can get something else in that hopefully will grow. Boy, look at it. I mean, that's when you know, man, it's just been bad. They're already breaking apart. There's a really nice one. So there may be a few good ones in here. Oh, there's a nice one. These garlic are from garlic I saved from the year before. Saved the biggest heads, bulbs, whatever. Get all excited and then you get one of those. But these really aren't too bad. Except for the ones that really are bad. Poor thing. All right. Here's the one batch. Got another section. Gonna look very much like it. We'll move over and do that one. Second section. Look a lot like the other ones. The one there is blowed up. Heat is something else. It's not even 11 o'clock yet. See, they're all blowing up. Another blowed up one. I think maybe you put down in the comments and tell me, can we take these and like put them in vinegar or somehow or other store them, the ones that are blown up, so we don't lose them, because they won't last long at all if you don't do something to them. The other batch was a lot better than this one. That's it for the garlic. That's a shame. You know, there's the combined. There's maybe a dozen really nice ones in there and another dozen or so fairly good ones, but this is just a fraction of what we got last year, and I planted the exact same amount. So the not getting a spring, it doesn't mind the warm days so much, but it wants those cool nights. And we just didn't get cool nights that didn't get punctuated by really real heat waves. So always an iffy project here in Lawrenceville, Georgia to get garlic. We got some, but it's not a great year. Last year really spoiled us. It was just phenomenal. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, showing you what the garlic looked like this year. Hope yours is doing better. Thank you for watching.